Okay, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how posting bad videos can actually blow up your YouTube channel. I know so some person might be like, what is she talking about? Which one is bad video? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you understand why I said posting bad videos can actually blow up your YouTube channel. But when we are talking about bad video, do I just mean that you just film a video and you put it out there and it doesn't have any value? That's not what I mean. Or when I say bad video, doesn't mean that you don't need to use a good camera, a good lighting, all those stuff, a good equipment to film. That's not what I mean. Okay. All right. So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, this is African Digital Channel, and we talk a whole lot of things in the channel. So do well to smash on that like button, leave your comment in the comment section, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that I get updated whenever I get to upload a new video. So without further ado, let's just get straight to the point. Number one reason why I say that posting bad videos can actually blow up your YouTube channel is that you might film a video and at the end of the day you feel like you haven't done your best. Like the video is not good enough for you to put it out there for people to watch. There are times that I film a video and at the end of the day I'll be like, what is this? Was I actually the one doing this? Is this video actually okay? But when I filmed the video, I felt like, oh my god, thank God I finally filmed this video. But if I didn't get to like upload that video immediately, I'll start doubting myself about the video I filmed. Is it okay? How is people going to see it? Are they going to like those videos? So that took me to one of my videos that actually blew up. Okay, guys, if you can see that video is like one of the top videos on my YouTube channel right now. Because I remember that time that I used to film with my front camera. And when I film it, I'll still compress it. And I actually made the mistake that I want to compress my video. I actually use the lowest part of compressing the video so that and it actually used to like reduces the quality of my video. And I put it out there. You know that the first 2 weeks I posted those videos, it was as if nothing is going to happen. It was as if nothing is happening. It was as if people are not going to watch. I just leave it there. I didn't even have hope that this video today will give me 800 and something views, or the number of views I'm actually having now, the number of likes and the subscribers this video are actually giving to me. Okay, so bad videos are those videos that you expected nothing from it. Those are the videos that can actually blow up your channel overnight and you'll be surprised. Do you understand? Because it could be that you don't put much effort in making those videos. You don't like, oh my god, like you don't do much editing in those kind of videos. And you don't even have expectation of how many views you have at the end of the day, or how many subscribers the video is actually going to give you, or how many, like you don't even have expectation of any numbers you are going to get from that very particular video. And trust me, maybe the first 1 week, 2 days, 5 days, 2 weeks that you have posted these videos, the algorithm hasn't picked up this video and showed to more person, or people aren't searching for that very particular video at that point in time, and you feel like, oh, I've said it now, I know that it. But trust me, when people are actually searching for that video, whether that video has a clear camera, like if you can see the video, okay, like let me not talk too much. Just go to my channel and watch the video on how to check if your content is copyrighted on Facebook before you upload it, guys. So just go watch that video. The blur image of myself, the background. The background was actually nice, but when I compressed the video, I compressed it in a way that it reduces the quality of everything. Okay, but people still get to watch that video and they still spend time watching that. I think because I've actually spent much time watching the video. That's the reason why YouTube keep on pushing those videos to a wider audience to watch it. All right, because what that video does is that it adds values to them. It gives them solution to their problem. I don't just put it out there because the quality wasn't okay, because it wasn't good enough. I don't like put value into it. Even if the quality of your video isn't good enough, please let it be something that is valuable. Let it be something that solve people problem. Let me have problem and come to YouTube. We all know that YouTube is a search engine optimization, right? So let me come to YouTube, search for how to make a soap production or how to cook or soup, whichever should be used. And if your video has to be the first video that pops up, please let me watch that video, and at the end of the day let me feel satisfied to even like the video or comment in the section, or leave a comment in the comment section, or even subscribe to your channel. No matter how bad your video is, if you can actually offer value, trust me, that video is going to do well when people are actually looking for it, when people are actually watching it. The first 2 weeks I posted that video, it might be that that was not when people were actually searching for it, but today as we are speaking, that video has been like one of the top videos on my channel because I offered value. I didn't just do it like, oh, the camera is not clear, the background and everything is blur. I don't need to. I added value to it. So you see that bad videos in your draft, you see that bad videos in your gallery. Please, as far as it has value, even if the camera is not clear, the camera is in filming is not bright, like you did not spend much time editing the video, it doesn't look nice. Please post that video now. Post it, like after you said you should post that video right now. As you're listening to me, after watching this video, please go. If you have already edited the video, please go ahead and hit on that publish button and post that video. If you have not edited, please go now and edit that video and put it out there, because you might not know which one will actually blow up your channel. You might not know which one YouTube is going to pick and show it to more people. Okay? When you just focus on giving value to people, forget about your video. No one cares about your beautiful face. No one cares about how handsome you are. No one cares about how you speak. Nobody cares. What they care is go straight to the point. Hit the nail on the head. Give me what I want. Let me get out of here. We don't want to waste time, especially on this app. People don't like to waste their time because data is very, very expensive, guys. So data is very, very expensive. So people don't want to like waste their time. Okay. And when I also mean waste their time, I don't mean that if you have a video that you are supposed to make it like 5 minutes or 15 minutes, you shouldn't make it 15 minutes. See, as long as you have value in that content, make it. People are actually going to spend time watching it. But if a video that you are supposed to make it to be 5 minutes, you now make it to be 15 minutes long and you don't have anything to offer, what's the need? You're wasting people's time. And it's very, very annoying. If a video is a video that worth 5 minutes, do it 5 minutes. If it's the one that worth 15 minutes, please let it be 15 minutes. And don't use a video that worth 5 minutes and make it 20 minutes and be wasting our time in those apps. We don't have that patience. Okay. So I urge you right now to post that bad video right away. Okay. So I urge you to post that bad video right away. See that video that you don't even have to, don't worry, post it. Just post it. Remove your mind from the number of subscribers, the numbers of views, and just leave it there. When you pick the video, you don't need to get worried about anything. So guys, here comes the end of this very particular tutorial. Please, I hope you find the video helpful. Please do the needful by liking this video. Leave a good comment in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you're going to summon up courage right now to put in that video out there. Okay, and if possible, you can actually tag me in the video. Yes, and I'll be so glad to see that. So let me know if you're going to do that right away, and let me know in the comment section if you are going to try it out and what type of video would you like me to make. You can leave your answer in the comment section. I'm here for you guys. I'm here to serve you guys. So your wish is my command. Please do to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you get updated when I upload a new video. Bye guys. I'll see you in the next video, guys. And I'm going to see you in my next video. You know I love you, right?